News is out. Elon Musk to acquire Twitter. It will become a private company. It's going to be Twitter's to be acquired by an entity wholly owned by Elon Musk for $54.24. And 20 cents per share in cash. An evaluation valued at approximately $44 billion. This is the amount that was originally proposed by Musk. So worth noting that as he had originally said, he was not open to negotiation there. I'm going to continue to dig into this. Oh, here we have more here. So just for a little bit more here, they say that Twitter stockholders will receive that $54.20 in cash for each share of common stock. And that represents a 38% premium to Twitter's closing price on April 1st. That was the last trading day before Musk disclosed his 9% stake in the company. There's a statement here from Brett Taylor, who's Twitter's independent board chair, and this is it. He says, quote, "The Twitter board conducted a thoughtful and comprehensive process to assess Elon's proposal with a deliberate focus on value, certainty, and financing. The proposed transaction will deliver a substantial cash premium, and we believe it is the best path forward for Twitter's stockholders." Then Parag Agrawal, who is Twitter CEO, who is not very well known by the investment community, has not done an interview with us here on CNBC. He says, quote, "Twitter has a purpose and relevance that impacts the entire world. Deeply proud of our teams, etc." And then I just want to mention what Musk says in this press release. And this goes back to why he wanted to buy Twitter. He says, quote, "Free speech is the bedrock of a functioning democracy, and Twitter is the digital town square where matters vital to the future of humanity are debated." He says, I want to make Twitter better than ever by enhancing the product with new features, making the algorithms open source to increase trust, defeating the spam bots, and authenticating all humans. He says, Twitter has tremendous potential. I look forward to working with the company and the community of users to unlock it. So here it is, the news that we've been anticipating all day today. And I would say, guys, many people were very surprised that this would happen as quickly as it did. No other buyers came in, and the board accepted Elon Musk's offer at that original offer price.
Julia, just one quick observation to point out here is that Twitter shares is still about $3 below the deal price. So the market is still baking in some probability that the deal doesn't get done.
Yes. So just going into some of the terms and financing, they say that the transaction has been unanimously approved by the board. It is expected to close in 2022, subject to the approval of Twitter stockholders. And then they talk about the debt and financing. So no details here on whether or not there's a go shop period or what the breakup fees will be, but we'll continue to dig in on that because I guess that's the question. You see that, yeah, the stock is pretty much unchanged from where it was before this press release came out.